Hey guys! Due to their versatility, added features, and efficiency in cooking, electric skillets are now a must-have in the kitchen. This appliance can be used to fry, grill, bake, heat, keep warm, and even store food. Depending on the primary purpose you are going for, it is essential to know which product among available brands will best suit your needs. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 electric skillets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best electric skillets. The 5th product on our list is the Presto 06620. Presto is known for its durable appliances, and this electric skillet is not an exception. The Presto 06620 has an 11-inch cooking surface, which makes enough food perfect for 2 to 3 people. It is easy to fry, grill, and even roast your favorite dishes with its non-stick surface. It is also known for heating up immediately, saving you both time and money. Its lid is deep enough to double the size of the cooking area, making roasting a small to medium-sized chicken possible. It is easy to clean as it is dishwasher safe. Just remove the heat control and the plug, and you should be good to go. This electric skillet from Presto features a non-stick base, giving you the option to cook good food with less oil, or even none at all. It also has a heat control for maintaining cooking temperature, ensuring that you won't get under or overcooked food. Its pros are, it is affordable. If you are a youngster just starting your way towards independent adult life, this skillet is a must-have for your first apartment. It is easy to clean. Although small, it is versatile when it comes to the recipes you can cook in it. And it heats up quickly. It is also available in black or white, making it easy to stylishly blend with the rest of your kitchen appliances on your countertop. However, it can only make food for 3 people and is not advisable for big families. Material-wise, the non-stick coating tends to degrade over time, so you have to make sure you give it gentle maintenance, and also, just as a heads up, the lid's paint may bubble when soaked in water for a long time. This non-stick electric skillet is one of the best options if you're not looking to feed a huge family. It is dependable, and it will help you make delicious meals you'll enjoy without breaking a sweat. Up next in the 4th place is the DeLonghi BG45. At first glance, this electric skillet seems like it's nothing special. However, a closer look will show you that it has more to offer than what meets the eye. For one, this cookware is built to last. It is made of die-cast aluminum that guarantees durability. In terms of size and capacity, it is also way larger than the Presto 06620, measuring 16 by 12 inches. Sounds perfect for everyday family dinners. The DeLonghi BG45 has a heating element embedded in it that produces evenly cooked food. Meanwhile, it has an adjustable steam vent hole that can be closed completely, opened wide, or small, depending on what the recipe calls for. Its pros are its size. It is large, making it preferable for groups and families. It is durable. It is guaranteed to last long. It provides evenly cooked meals that take lesser time and energy, thus saving you time and money. Its adjustable vent hole gives you much control on the steam you want to let out, and it is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. However, since this is another non-stick pan, the coating tends to come off after extended usage. And its temperature control only has on and off as options, so the only way to control your heat is through its vent hole. All in all, the DeLonghi BG45 is a very durable piece of equipment that is great for even cooking due to its heat distribution. If you mainly fry and do not need to simmer, this is the ideal cookware, especially for large families. The 3rd product on our list is the Proctor Silex 38526. This skillet is a small yet mean device. Its cooking area is similar to the Presto 06620, that is 11 inches. It comes with an adjustable temperature that you can set according to your preference, plus a plastic handle that remains cold to the touch. That will make cooking a whole lot easier, removing the need to search for a pot holder in the heat of the moment. The Proctor Silex skillet and its lid, similar to the first two electric skillets, are dishwasher safe and very easy to clean. Its pros are its size. It is a compact device that fits any kitchen size. Another plus is its plastic handles. They make it easy to grab onto the skillet as you make your meals. It cleans easily and is dishwasher safe, and it is one of the most affordable options that does not compromise on product quality. However, the cons are, the device needs to be assembled by yourself. So if you're not very careful, you might end up with a skillet that inconveniently wobbles when placed on a level surface. It also requires preheating to ensure even heating across the pan. It is not as energy saving as the others, and it can only make food for 2 or 3 people and is not advisable for big families. For its affordable price, the Proctor Silex gets the job done. It will deliver what you expect from an electric skillet, plus the convenience of having a dishwasher-safe cookware. The second product on our list is the ES08. An even smaller electric skillet at 8 inches beats the 11 to 12 inch cookers that we have enumerated so far. Here's why. The portability of the ES08 makes it very easy to recommend, especially for those who have to cook on the go. A great addition to your kitchen appliances. Similar to DeLonghi, it is made from die-cast aluminum, which makes for its high quality and longevity. The ES08 features a non-stick interior, so food sticking to the pan won't be a problem. Unlike other appliances and other brands that make cooking almost feel like rocket science, this skillet has user-friendly temperature control. Its functions are easy to understand and operate. Even newbies in the kitchen can use it for cooking sumptuous meals. It also has a safety vent, although it is not adjustable. Its pros are, it is lightweight, which makes it portable for people who are on the go. If you are looking to save some money by cooking in your workplace, this is a skillet that you need, granted that cooking in the office is allowed. And this skillet has a temperature control mechanism that is pretty straightforward and easy to adjust. However, the cons are, only its lid is dishwasher safe, and the pan will have to be cleaned by hand with a soapy cloth. And given its small size, the depth of this skillet is pretty shallow, so consider this feature if you need a skillet for much bigger meal preps. The ES08 is very dependable if you need to cook outside of your home where a dishwasher may not even be available. This cute pan is excellent for making small meals that are enough for 1 or 2. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top electric skillet is the Precise Heat KT ES4. This rectangular stainless steel skillet is a whopping 16 inches, which makes it ideal for big families. Unlike the rest that we have enumerated so far, the Precise Heat electric skillets, both pan and lid, are made from stainless steel. It keeps your food warm for a more extended period. Not only is the steel great to distribute heat across the pan evenly, but it also has a handle that stays cool, making it convenient to hold as you stir or fry. Like the rest of the skillets on our list, Precise Heat has an adjustable temperature control system that makes it live up to its brand name. It gives you precise heat according to what your recipe requires. Its pros are, it's not a non-stick pan, so there is no chance that a chemical coating will peel off and leach into your food, which often happens to meals cooked in non-stick pans. Its large space and capacity allow you to cook several meals at once. Doesn't that sound like a great deal? And it heats up quickly, saving you some bucks off your electricity bill and a lot of time for meal preparation and other kitchen duties. However, the bottom plate does not evenly distribute heat at times. The non-stick property comes with a downside. It makes the pan harder to clean, and it is not recommended for people who don't like using oil on their food. Overall, the Precise Heat KT ES4 is the best electric skillet on the market. Its size, build, and dependability are just some of its features that stand out among the rest under the same category. It is affordable, easy to operate, and if you're concerned with the chemicals that may mix in your food from non-stick components, then this skillet is for you. And that's all for our top 5 electric skillets on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.